Folks, come on over for the first small table of fall, right here on my take on home and garden. Come on over, guys, we're gonna have fun. It's a doozy. It's gonna be good, and it's always different. You think you've seen everything? You haven't seen everything. Right here, coming up. Let me take the camera now and show you what we're gonna use in our table today. We're gonna go with a gold-plated flatware. Today I've chosen a wonderful 100% cotton in a wheat colored napkin. We're gonna be English farmhouse, but we're gonna be elegant today. So we're gonna go with a wonderful upgraded elegant charger with gold accents. Next, from Anchor Hocking, a serving tray. And I've got to use the coffee pot from Bob, our buddy Bob, and the wonderful Brown Betty from England. Now we're having an English farm breakfast. This fabulous cider or juice pitcher made in Bavaria. Our fabulous from the 30s Royal Beirut set, and a milk pitcher, creamer and sugar, and a honey pot by Royal Beirut of Bavaria. Then we're going to go with the stemmed juice glass by Anchor Hocking, USA. I mean, we've got everybody in this table, I think. Wonderful. Probably a 6-ounce glass. Maybe 7. Then, we only see them once in a rare, our wonderful egg holder made in France. Will hold your soft-boiled egg, waiting for you to use it. Then we're going to have an incredible Bavaria's Heavy today, individual fruit bowls, and a master fruit bowl to match. Made in Bavaria. P&T with a shield. This is an early set. Wonderful. Then Cocoa Pot Divine, made by Nippon. And a wonderful oak leaf and acorn cup and saucer for that cocoa by H&C Heinrich and Company of Germany. Okay, we've got this incredible, cutest little set by Julie Poppel, Country Fruit Collection, made in Indonesia. And that's her design. Then, our light pea green, if you will, dinner plates by IKEA. Today, breakfast plate, a cup and saucer by Nippon. Wonderful, delicate porcelain. Also today, something you've just seen in a haul. I'm going to use for the first time the pair of dolphin candlesticks in brass. If we lived in an English country manor house, we would have all kinds of eclectic things from our world tour to use in our table. Okay guys, I think we're just about there. What else we got? Oh yes. Today I'm using the 90-inch 100% cotton tablecloth in the damask style. Can we see the print and pattern here? And to puff that up, I'm going to go elegant with this center medallion piece, made in Germany. Then of course I want to do a centerpiece for us, and we just saw this come in, the two-handled metal vase in the island style. We're going to mix styles a little bit today, but you're going to see how they work. Then of course my floral arrangements that I'm going to use. Let's get that built. Okay guys, you saw in our haul some of the latest fall pieces, stems and accents that I wanted to use in this table, and I think we're going to look really different. Here we have some sedum. And I'll have to probably hold this till we get this built. These are heavy. Look at the color. Just love those. Next, our bougainvillea. And there we're starting to stay up. And look at this leaf on here. Oh yes. This ought to break it up a bit and be so cute. How about some acorns? Can't hardly go without them. And this is a 360-degree view, so we'll put some on the opposite side as well. Really liking that. I got this little barley piece. I think we'll fill in that middle a little bit with that different accent. Alrighty, now I'm really liking that. Let me set that over here, and we're going to put on our center medallion piece. Look at this cocoa color with the tablecloth. Oh, yes. And I'll take a minute to make sure that is centered to perfection. Let's build this table with some beautiful music. My goodness, I think I'm going to have to take you and show you all around. So folks, thanks for coming by. Hope you liked our small fall table today for you. A lot of fun. Get some beautiful going on at your home. You deserve it. It takes a little more effort, just a little bit more. Let me know what you think for our first table for fall. Give us a like, a share, a comment, send a friend over. Be good. And we'll see you in the next amazing, awesome, I think I'm cooking a big fall dinner. It's a dandy. It's going to be good. Guys, we'll see you soon. Have fun and get your collections on. Bye, guys. See you soon. Oh, this one's going to be hard to take down. Poached egg and ham steaks for breakfast. French toast. Oh man. Apple juice, tea and coffee. I want one of each. Bye.